Hello, how to solve for s in this equation? 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of x is equal to 648. Solution. We have 9 to the power of x plus 9 to the power of s is equal to 648. Then here, 9 to the power of s is common. Let's bring it out. 9 to the power of s bracket this divided by this 1 plus this divided by this 1 is equal to 648. Then we have 9 to the power of s multiplied by 1 plus 1, this is 2, is equal to 648. Let's divide both sides by 2. This divided by 2, this divided by 2. These 2, we cancel these 2. Then 2 here, 1. 2 here, 324. We have 9 to the power of s is equal to 324. Now let's take the log of both sides of this equation. Log 9 to the power of s is equal to log 324. Now take note of this, that if you have log p to the power of m, this is equal to m log p. Then this can be written as x log 9 is equal to log 324. Now 324 is equal to 81 multiplied by 4. Then this can be written as s log 9 is equal to log 81 multiplied by 4. Now take note of this, that if you have log a multiplied by b, this is equal to log a plus log b. Then this can be written as s log 9 is equal to log 81 plus log 4. Let's divide both sides by log 9. Then this divided by log 9. This will cancel this. X is equal to log 81 plus log 4 divided by log 9. Now note that 81 is equal to 9 square. Then 4 is equal to 2 square. And also 9 is equal to 3 square. Then this can be written as s is equal to log 9 square plus log 2 square divided by log 3 square. S is equal to log 9 square divided by log 3 square plus log 2 square divided by log 3 square. X is equal to 2 log 9 divided by 2 log 3 plus 2 log 2 divided by 2 log 3. This will cancel this, and this will cancel this. X is equal to, this is log 9 divided by log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 3. Then this is 2 log 3 divided by log 3 plus log 2 divided by log 3. This will also cancel this. S is equal to 2 plus log 2 divided by log 3. Now take note of this, that if you have log A divided by log B, this is equal to log A base B. S is equal to 2 plus log 2 base 3. This is the final answer. We may check to confirm if this answer is right or wrong. Let's check. To check, we have the given equation. 9 to the power of s plus 9 to the power of s is equal to 648. Then this is same thing as 2 multiplied by 9 to the power of s must be equal to 648. When s is 2 plus log 2 base 3, this is 2 multiplied by 9 to the power of 2 plus log 2 base 3 must be equal to 648. Take note of this, that if you have a to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. Then this can be written as 2 multiplied by 9 square multiplied by 9 to the power of log 2 base 3 must be equal to 648. And this is the same thing as 2 multiplied by 9 square, that is 81. Then this can be written as multiplied by 3 square log 2 base 3 must be equal to 648. Then from here, we have 2 multiplied by 81 multiplied by 3 to the power of log 4 base 3 must be equal to 648. And this is, take note of this, that if you have a to the power of log b base a, this is equal to b. Then we have 2 multiplied by 81 multiplied by the whole of this is 4 must be equal to 648. Then 2 multiplied by 81 multiplied by 4, this is 648 is equal to 648, which is true. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.